How to sell a used lawn mower. Almost every weekend you will see your neighbor outside mowing their lawn. Lawn mowers are used to keep your front lawn well manicured. The purpose of selling your used lawn mower is to get the highest price possible. There are many different ways to increase your chances of selling your lawn mower. Prior to listing your lawn mower for sale, thoroughly clean and make sure the lawn mower is operable. Things you will need: photos, computer, internet access, cleaning supplies. Take several pictures of your lawnmower from different angles in very good light. If your lawnmower is a no-name brand, take a picture of that as well. Determine the market value of your lawnmower. Search the classifieds and compare the selling price of other lawnmowers similar to yours. Set your price range to the fair market value. Sell your lawnmower. There are many different ways to sell your lawnmower. You can place your lawnmower for sale on a bidding website, or a local site that is specifically sell items, or even your local newspaper.